Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make muffin dough step by step. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. It's crucial to mix these dry components thoroughly in a large bowl. This ensures that the leavening agent, the baking powder, is evenly distributed throughout the flour, which is key for light and fluffy muffins. Take your time with this initial step. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients in a separate bowl. You'll need 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter or a neutral vegetable oil. Whisk these liquid components together until they are well combined. The egg acts as a binder, the milk provides moisture, and the butter or oil contributes to a tender crumb. Keeping wet and dry separate initially helps control the final batter consistency. Now for the crucial step of combining the wet and dry mixtures. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry. Mix gently, using a spatula or spoon, just until the ingredients are barely combined. It's very important not to overmix. Overworking the batter develops gluten, which results in tough, chewy muffins. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and actually desirable for a tender texture. Stop mixing as soon as you no longer see any dry streaks of flour. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious muffins. Fill your muffin liners about 2/3 full with the batter. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. It should come out clean. Let them cool slightly in the pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. Enjoy your warm, homemade muffins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.